Hello, bachcho, let's read the question. So the question is saying the equilibrium constant for the reaction where N2 plus O2 gives 2NO is 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 at 2000 Kelvin. In the presence of catalyst, equilibrium is attained 10 times faster. Therefore, the equilibrium constant in the presence of catalyst at 2000 Kelvin is, and here we have 4 options and we have to figure it out which one is correct. So what could be the key concept here? So the key concept here will be equilibrium. Talking about the equilibrium, in equilibrium the rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of the backward reaction. And talking about equilibrium constant, that is denoted by basically Kc. Kc is what? Equilibrium constant. It is said that on adding a catalyst the rate becomes 10 times faster. 10 times faster. So we have to predict the value of equilibrium constant, new equilibrium constant. So basically what happened, Kc is independent of catalyst. It only changes with change in temperature. So by adding the catalyst, the rate of the reaction could be faster, but there is a no change in the value of the Kc, or you can say Kp. So the Kc will remain same. Kc will remain same because as it independent of catalyst, it can alter the rate of reaction, but cannot alter the what, ये नहीं कर सकता ऑल्टर इसके Kc को. सो इस हिसाब से हमारा आंसर जो 2000 केल्विन पे Kc था वही रहेगा, दैट इज 4 इंटू 10⁻⁻4. तो हमारे इस हिसाब से आंसर हो जाएगा, आंसर इज 4 इंटू 10⁻4. बी आंसर हो जाएगा. वी कैन राइट द आंसर ओवर हियर. आंसर इज बी. होप यू अंडरस्टूड दैट. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.